is the most useful art kit. It literally includes with everything, even paper clips, even erasers, sharpeners, everything you could literally imagine. Crayons, and it even has a gold colored one. Colored pencils. Everything else you could even literally imagine. You should buy this. I actually didn't buy this. I just got it as a gift in my in the Christmas party. ASMR.